hope you are fine. Today our topic is about count and recognize numbers 11 to 20. How many matchsticks? 10. These are 10 matchsticks and this is bundle of 10. It is one bundle of 10 and one matchstick. So this is 11. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. It is one bundle of 10 and two matchsticks. So this is 12. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. It is one bundle of 10 and three matchsticks. So this is 13. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. It is one bundle of 10 and four matchsticks. So this is 14. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. It is one bundle of 10 and 5 matchsticks. So this is 15. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. It is one bundle of 10 and 6 matchsticks. So this is 16. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. It is one bundle of 10 and 7 matchsticks. So this is 17. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. It is one bundle of 10 and 8 matchsticks. So this is 18. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. It is one bundle of 10 and 9 matchsticks. So this is 19. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. It is two bundle of 10. So this is 20. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.